Hey Phoebe, can you believe how sunny it is today? I almost burned my eyes looking out the window.
Yeah, it's super bright. The sun's really showing off today. You should have worn sunglasses, Joey.
I did, but they fogged up the moment I stepped outside.
That's what happens when it's humid, you know.
Humid? Oh, that word again. What exactly does it mean?
Humid means the air has a lot of moisture. It feels sticky and kind of heavy. You know, like your shirt clings to you.
So humid is basically sweaty air.
That's actually not a bad way to describe it.
Great. So today's a sweaty air kind of day. I'm glad we cleared that up.
I like sunny days, though. They make me feel energetic.
Really? Sunny days make me sleepy. I just want to lie under a fan and melt like ice cream.
That's because you're a summer sloth.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
Oh, definitely winter. You can always put more clothes on. But in summer, you can't just keep taking them off, right?
True, but in winter I turn into a walking burrito with all those layers.
Still better than turning into grilled cheese in the heat.
Remember last year's winter? The one with the weird mix of rain and sunshine?
Oh yeah, that was strange. Like the weather couldn't decide what mood it was in.
That's called drizzle. When it rains lightly but continuously.
Drizzle. Nice. So, not full-on rain, just like the sky sneezing a little?
Exactly. Sky sneezing. You should write a poem about that.
Oh, drizzle, my drizzle, you make my hair fizzle.
Wow, Shakespeare just rolled in his grave.
So, you're saying drizzle is light rain. What about showers?
Showers are short bursts of rain. They start suddenly and stop quickly.
Got it. So drizzle is lazy rain. Showers are impatient rain.
You're getting good at this.
I always wondered how British people talk about the weather so much.
That's their national hobby. It's safe, polite, and everyone can relate to it.
Yeah, you can't offend anyone with, "Hey, how about that rain, huh?"
Exactly. It's the ultimate small talk topic.
I tried small talk with my neighbor once. I said, "Nice weather we're having." He said, "Actually, global warming's destroying everything."
Oh wow, that escalated quickly.
I know. I just wanted to borrow sugar, not start a debate.
Maybe stick to neutral comments like, "It's warm today."
Yeah, that's safe. Unless the person hates warm days. Then I'll end up in another argument.
You can't please everyone, Joey. Just talk about clouds. No one hates clouds.
Unless they ruin a picnic.
Speaking of clouds, have you ever noticed how different they look every day?
Yeah, sometimes they're fluffy like cotton candy, and sometimes they're flat and gloomy.
Those flat gray ones are called stratus clouds.
Stratus. Sounds like a magician's name.
Now presenting the great stratus master of vanishing sunshine.
Ha, I'd pay to see that show.
What's your favorite kind of weather?
I think I like that cool morning after it rains. The air smells fresh and everything looks clean.
Oh, that's called petrichor. The smell after rain.
Petrichor. Sounds fancy. Like a perfume.
It's actually from Greek words meaning rock and essence.
So, rock essence. Great. I'd wear that. Joey's rock essence smells like clean mud.
I'd buy that just for the laugh.
What about you, Phoebe? Favorite weather?
I love autumn. The air's cool, the leaves are colorful, and you can wear comfy sweaters.
Ah, yes. Sweater weather. The best kind of weather for lazy people like me.
Exactly. You can drink coffee, read a book, and look deep without doing anything.
You just described my dream life.
Autumn also makes me nostalgic.
Yeah, like everything's ending slowly but beautifully.
That's poetic, Joey.
Thanks. Must be the drizzle influence.
Do you think weather affects people's moods?
Totally. When it's sunny, people smile more. When it's gloomy, everyone turns into grumpy cats.
True. It's called seasonal mood. Some people even get sad in winter. That's winter blues.
Oh, I've had those. Mostly because the sun goes to bed at 5 p.m. and takes my motivation with it.
Yep, short days can do that.
But then, rainy days make me want to stay home, eat noodles, and binge watch something.
Same. Rainy days are perfect for self-care. Hot chocolate, cozy blanket, zero guilt.
You just made me want to skip work.
So, what's your least favorite kind of weather?
Windy days. My hair turns into a disaster.
Oh, the horror.
Laugh all you want, but wind doesn't respect hairstyles.
I know, right? It makes umbrellas useless too.
Exactly. You open it, and boom, now it's an upside-down metal flower.
Windy weather can be fun though. It feels alive.
Fun? Try walking in it with a sandwich. It'll slap you with your own lunch.
That's a fair point.
Do you know what a breeze technically means?
Yeah, a breeze is gentle wind, soft and refreshing.
So, not the kind that steals sandwiches.
Nope. More like the one that makes curtains dance.
I like that. Curtain dancing wind.
You've got a poetic streak today.
Maybe the weather brings it out of me. You know, nature vibes.
I like that thought.
Sometimes I think the weather is like people. Some days it's calm, some days stormy, and sometimes unpredictable.
That's deep, Joey. You might be secretly philosophical.
Or just sleep deprived.
Speaking of storms, do you like thunder?
I like watching it from inside, but not hearing it when I'm alone.
Same. It's exciting, but a little scary.
The lightning part is cool, though. It's like nature's camera flash.
Yeah. The sky taking selfies.
What's the difference between thunder and lightning again?
Lightning is the flash you see. Thunder is the sound you hear. Lightning comes first, thunder follows.
So basically, thunder's the echo of lightning's big entrance.
Exactly. You could teach this stuff now.